Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well and having a great day. Today I'm going to be showing you how to join Fiverr, how to open an account and hire freelancers, of course. So basically we're going to click on Google and use Google because they require you to use your laptop, or if you're using your phone like me, you're going to go here on the three dots, go down and choose this version of the laptop on your phone. Basically we're going to zoom a little bit. We're going to click on join, and then you have to click whether you're going to use your email or your Google account. I'm going to click on using my Google account. Okay, now I'm going to click on continue and I'm going to open it again. Well, here they're asking me to get my profile started. I need to add a surname, so a username. I'm going to click here and say Mirina Berg, a username that no one has basically. So create my account, and here your account is set up. They're going to ask you if your account has been created. Do you want to be a freelancer or you're hiring freelancers? Well, basically I'm buying and I'm not selling, so I'm going to click on buy in, and then we're going to click on next. And here they're going to ask you, what do you plan to buy services for? Let's go as a personal use. So next. And what are you looking for today? Let's say specific, or just exploring is perfect. Finish, and let's start exploring. Well, here you have a list of the freelancers, and here you can go here and type the service you're looking for today. Here you're going to log here to see your account, and of course I'm going to show you some tricks. Here you can become a seller. If you want to join free Fiverr as a seller, you can of course click here to become a seller, and you can do the same thing if you are a seller and then you want to become a buyer. It's just very easy. And here you have everything in ahead of you. So if I'm looking for a freelancer to design my logo, I'm going to click on here and write logo design, and here I'm going to have the first choice by Fiverr, and this is the price from where it starts and other choices, and of course I can contact all of them and see and check whatever works best for me. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave in the description a link that you will, if you use it, you will have 10% off of your first order. And that's it. I hope you had a good day and watch this video, share it with your friends, and leave likes and comments. Bye.